Yo, what's up? Trade recap for today. Took an unfortunate loss. It was a pretty good trade, but I think it was avoidable. Um, I mean everyone and their mom took this trade. But looking back on it, there was one big thing that I should have faded it for, and honestly, it was just I was not paying enough attention. I low-key woke up like 15 minutes before market open, so I didn't have a ton of time for analysis. So just got to be better about that tomorrow. Journal this trade quite a bit. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Because low-key was not a horrible trade. Um, so here at 9:30, we had a lot of accumulation. I mean, look at this. This whole accumulation, low range, and on either side is a fair value gap. So I was pretty neutral coming into the morning because if we were to displace down and then go up, I was fine with that. I think this was a 15-minute gap. Yeah, 15-minute intermediate low and also 15-minute intermediate high. Actually, I think it was a 30-minute, but either way. Yeah, 30-minute intermediate high above. So I was fine with manipulation to either side and then taking longs from the ITL, intermediate low, or shorts off at the intermediate high. Because high time frame, there was narrative for both sides, honestly. We had a 4-hour gap below with relatively equal lows here. And then I was seeing this unfilled hourly above, and we hit a monthly fair value gap. So high time frame bullishness had narrative as well. But here's the big thing I missed was I just didn't check the daily time frame. There was right above us, there was a daily gap, which I just didn't see. And we were low-key pretty close to it at the time of the trade. So, because yeah, I think it was this line, I believe. Yeah. So we end up manipulating higher right at market open and then get this nice 1 minute inverse to the downside, a nice little Judas swing, Patty swing, whatever you want to call it. Enter down here. I think I was just targeting 1-to-1, or maybe I actually probably would have targeted down here. Gotten a little greedy, but either way, we didn't do anything. We immediately just got stopped out, and there was a re-entry as well. Happy I didn't take this one because I'm basically on one trade a day. Just if taking 2 losses would be pretty bad, I would just prefer not to. And normally, if the first one fails, the second one is a lot lower probability. I'd rather just wait for a new day. But yeah, I think I would have faded if I'd seen the daily gap, but I don't know. Still, overall, it's still like an A minus trade. Definitely not a bad trade by any stretch of the imagination. Just missed the daily gap. I mean, there's great reason to continue to go lower, the 15-minute intermediate low and this 4-hour with these. It might be actually completely equal lows. But yeah, that's about it for today. And the overall draw on liquidity was just wrong. I mean, we go up right to that daily gap, and then I don't know what we do. Go a little lower, chop around, it seems like, and then go higher. So yeah, bullishness. We'll probably be looking to be bullish tomorrow as well. I have a 4 hour up here. Don't know if we'll hit it overnight, but and then a daily gap too. So if those aren't hit in the morning, those are great targets. And then tons of LRL above, but not really many unfilled gaps. So we'll see. Because like I could also see us hitting this daily gap and then continuing to the downside, but we'll just see. Not mad at this loss. But yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Peace.